All right, so have you ever thought like, man, I wish I could just create a whole course or even like a whole book instantly?
Yeah, like just poof, there it is.
Right, just like that. Well, we found this YouTube video, and it shows us how to use AI to do just that.
Oh, wow.
And it's really wild.
Really?
Yeah. So we're going to deep dive into that today.
I'm ready.
So basically, it's like having all these researchers and writers just like,
At your beck and call.
yeah, exactly. Just like boom.
That's amazing. So what are we looking at? What's this video about?
Okay, so it uses this tool called NANIN.
NN.
Yeah, N8N.
Right.
And it's this platform where you can build these like workflows.
Okay.
They can connect all kinds of different apps and services.
Interesting.
Yeah. So in this case, it's using that to just completely automate like the whole process of content creation.
So like start to finish.
Yeah, pretty much.
Wow.
So like you start with your idea.
Okay.
And it could be anything like, let's say I want to create a course on like ancient Roman plumbing.
Ancient Roman plumbing.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Super specific.
Yeah.
But that's the cool thing. You can get super niche.
Okay.
And the AI takes that and like refines it into a nice title.
Oh, so it polishes it up.
Yeah, like it will give you something like Plumbing the Depths, a comprehensive guide to Roman hydraulic engineering or
I
whatever.
like that. So what about the content of the course?
That's where it gets really crazy. So the AI takes that title that it made and then makes a whole outline for the course.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so like all the modules, all the chapters, all the key points you got to hit.
That's pretty impressive.
But wait, there's more?
Oh, there's more.
Yeah, so get this. It uses this, I guess it's a tool, to pull in the latest info from the web.
Really?
Yeah, so like imagine this, right?
Okay.
So you don't have to update your course every time archaeologists find some new Roman bathhouse or something.
Oh, that's smart.
The AI just does it for you.
It keeps it up to date.
Exactly. It's like magic.
Yeah, that's really cool.
So now you're probably wondering, how does the AI even organize all this information?
Yeah, it sounds like a lot. It's a lot, right. So it uses this thing called JSON.
JSON?
Yeah, it's basically like think of it like a way to structure data
Okay.
so that computers can easily read it and understand it.
Ah, so it's like translating the outline into computer language.
You got it. And once that outline is in JSON, the AI goes through each section and just writes the content.
Whoa, hold on. So it's like writing the entire course.
Pretty much, yeah. It goes through like an iterative process, so it like builds on each chapter and makes sure everything flows together,
That's amazing. And so at the end of all this, what do you have?
A whole book, like drafted and ready to go in Google Docs.
You're kidding. Like
Yeah.
all from just putting in a basic idea.
Yep.
That's wild.
I know, right? And the guy in the video even said that he's going to add in like images, references, all that later.
So like a full-blown textbook, but made by an AI.
Imagine that, right? An AI textbook that's like interactive and engaging.
That honestly sounds kind of fun.
I know. It really makes you think about the future of like learning and creating content.
This could totally change how we access and even interact with knowledge.
I totally agree. But it does make you wonder about like the human element.
Right.
Like even though the AI can do all this amazing stuff, we still probably need like human experts to check things over,
Oh, yeah, for sure.
to make sure it's all accurate and high quality,
Definitely.
and also to bring those unique human insights that an AI just can't replicate.
Absolutely. Like there's some things you just can't automate, you
Yeah,
know?
exactly.
It's like that human touch that makes it special.
Yeah, like the creativity and critical thinking.
Mhm.
So what do you think? Could a system like this actually replace human writers and educators?
That's a tough one. I think it's more about how we can use this tech to like empower and enhance what humans already do.
Right, like a powerful tool.
Yeah, exactly. Like imagine teachers being able to use this to create customized learning materials for their students.
Ooh, that would be cool.
Or like researchers being able to quickly generate reports and summaries of complex data.
Yeah, it could really free up time for people to focus on the more creative and strategic aspects of their work.
For sure. It's not about replacing humans, but about giving them superpowers.
I like that, giving them superpowers. So it sounds like this AI tool is pretty impressive, but what about bias? Can AI be biased?
That's a really good question, and it's something we definitely need to be mindful of. AI systems are trained on massive amounts of data.
Right.
And if that data contains biases...
Then the AI can inherit those biases.
Exactly. So it's crucial to make sure that the data used to train these AI systems is diverse and representative.
Yeah, we need to be careful about what we're feeding these AIs.
Totally. It's like raising a child. You want to make sure they're exposed to a wide range of perspectives and information so they can develop a balanced and informed worldview.
I like that analogy. So how can our listeners learn more about this AI stuff and maybe even try it out for themselves?
Well, the video we were talking about uses NAN, which is a free and open source tool,
Mm.
so anyone can download it and start experimenting.
Cool. And there are tons of resources available online too.
Oh yeah, tons of tutorials, documentation, all that good stuff.
So really no excuses not to dive in and explore this amazing technology. So to wrap up this deep dive, I have a question for our listeners.
Hit us with it.
If you could automate any part of your work or life using AI, what would it be and why?
Ooh, that's a good one.
Think about it, folks. The possibilities are endless.
Absolutely. All right, everyone, thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the world of AI-powered content creation.
Until next time.
Keep on learning and keep on creating.
See ya.